So today we're making a beautiful hijab. If you first time being here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share my videos. And don't forget to like. And don't forget to comment. You have to comment. Yes, comment on the below. Just comment. And can you see? And if you want to make your hijab, all we are going to do about hijab is the measurement, and that is very important in a hijab. Do you want it to cover? Can you say? Can you see where it's reached? Can you see the length? Just depend on the length that you want, and can you see it's so beautiful? Can you see this is the fabric I'm using? Can you see this fabric I'm using? I love this fabric. I love the color. I love everything about it. So beautiful. Can you see stretching material? I'm gonna have your scissors. You're gonna have your tape rule. So let me take you the measurement. I've already cut into 4 pieces. I'm going to 4 pieces. The measurements for this I have 34 by 7. That's the measurement I'm using, and in 4 places. I'm having in 4 places. So I'm going to sew the 4 together. I'm going to sew the 4 together. And make sure that you look at it, which one is in and which one is out. So can you see this one is out, so it's matching this together. So I'm going to sew it down. I'm sewing it down. This is so I measure 15 round. Then I have to trace 15 round out of it. I trace it round 15. Then you trace it 15. You're going to trace it round. So that's, can you see the leftover? Around 15 round. Then this, it just depends on you. You can fold and sew it round, but I'm not going to do mine just like that. I'm going to whip it. That's what I'm going to do. I'll whip it. If you want to sew, you can sew it. I'm whipping my round out. This is for just 2 years. Can you see this size? Can you see? The next thing I'm going to do is I want to design it. It just depends on you. I'm going to design it. Just depends on you. If you want to design it and you want to leave it plain, you can leave it plain. But I'm designing mine. That's what I'm going to do.